Do you want to learn how to get a punching bag workout that helps you lose weight? Watch this short video to learn today. Exercising on a punching bag is an excellent way to lose weight because it's fun and you build strength while losing calories. In just a 30-minute session you can burn up to 300 calories. This will depend on your body weight and level of intensity during the workout. It's a full-body workout that tones your arms, builds endurance, and it's known to be a great stress reliever too, so it's great for anyone suffering from anxiety. In my opinion, it's more fun than your traditional gym workout with weights, although you can incorporate both and probably should. How to get a punching bag workout that helps you lose weight. Start with warm-up exercises. And with some stretching exercises, then move on to jump roping for 5 minutes. Do some arm circles to loosen up your shoulders and finish with forwarding bends. Punching bag workout exercises. Shadow boxing. This is a good way to help you perfect your strikes before heading over to the punching bag. Do these shadow boxing strikes first. Jab, this is the fastest punch that you should perform several times. If you have a mirror, watch your form and aim straight. Cross, now punch across your body, do this with each arm. Hook, a sweeping strike from across the body. Uppercut, a punch upward using power from your hips. Once you have performed each of these exercises from 30 seconds to 3 minutes each. Then do combinations of these exercises for up to another 5 minutes. How to hit a punching bag for beginners. Tip number 1. Priority number 1 is to protect yourself at all times. Even if your punches are sloppy, if you keep your hands up, at least no one can say your defense wasn't tight. So, don't drop your hands to wind up your punches, and don't drop your hands after you punch, either. Hands up before, during, and after. Tip number 2. Footwork first. In grappling, you'll hear the phrase, position before submission. The same concept applies to punching position first. In a real fight, the other guy is not going to let you wail on him like a heavy bag. You need to use your footwork to close the gap, which means footwork. Put your chin down, bend your knees, and get your hands up. Practice shuffling in, shuffling out, shuffling around, and pivoting. Practice around a static bag, then a swinging bag. Get comfortable putting yourself into any position you wish. Once your footwork is warmed up, add your punches back. Tip number 3. Use your imagination. If you're into karate or kung fu, approach the heavy bag the same way you approach a kata. Visualize you're in a real fight. Final thoughts on how to get a punching bag workout. Although this training is geared up for beginners, you don't have to be a newbie to take part in these exercises. You'll benefit from this workout even if you have been training with a punching bag for years. If you liked this video, please share and be sure to subscribe. And hit that like button. Thank you.